Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro wirelessly. Now, if you don't want to use the USB cable in order to charge a device, then of course you can use the wireless charging method as well, as long as you have the wireless charger. In order to use the wireless charging method, what you need to do is pretty much place your device on top of the wireless charger. So for instance, I'm gonna do it like this. Keep in mind that the back of the back of the device must be placed like on the top, like you can see over here. And sometimes if you put it like too high, for instance, then you might not be able to charge. As you can see right now, it is not charging, so you need to place it pretty much exactly in the middle, like so, in order to be able to charge your device wirelessly. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.